Good morning, children. Welcome back to our next lesson of English grammar. In our last lesson, we had learned about nouns as naming words. And noun is a name of a person, place, animal, and thing. We have also learned many examples of nouns which come under things. Now, in lesson 2, we will learn about noun animals, that is, names of birds and animals. Children, all the animals and birds which we see around us are nouns. In animals, we have wild animals like lion, tiger, domestic animals like sheep, cow, also the pet animals like dog, cat and pigeon. Nouns of animals also has water animals like fish, octopus, jellyfish and so on. Next is birds. All the beautiful birds like crow, parrot, peacock comes under the nouns of animals. The insects like spider, ant, mosquitoes, flies, all these are also nouns. Now let's start our exercise on page 5, Names of Birds and Animals. Look at the picture and complete the names of some of the birds and animals. Here in the picture, you can see animals and birds, and for each animal, numbers are written in a box. We have to start with number 1. We can see a giraffe with a long neck and the name Giraffe, giraffe is written for you. The second one is a picture of a beautiful peacock. Do you know peacock is the national bird of India? The spelling of peacock starts with P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. So write down the missing letters, children. The third picture is of a huge elephant. Now try to spell elephant and complete the word. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. The fourth picture is of a horse. The missing words are H-O-R-S-E, horse. The fifth is, can you identify, children? It is a bear. B-E-A-R, bear. The sixth is a beautiful pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N, pigeon. The seventh picture is of an eagle flying. E-A-G-L-E, eagle. The eighth picture, can you see it? It's a duck in the pond. D-U-C-K, duck. The ninth picture is of a zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. The 10th picture is a lion, the king of the jungle. L-I-O-N, lion. The 11th picture is a green parrot sitting on the branch of a tree. Write down P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. The last animal is an owl. O-W-L, owl. These are the animals and birds which are the nouns. Now open page 6, exercise 2. Write the names of 4 wild animals and 4 domestic animals from the picture on the previous page. Well, here we have 2 parts in which we have to write the names of animals which are on page 5. The first part is of wild animals. Now let me tell you, what are wild animals? Wild animals are those animals which live in forest or jungles. We can see them in the zoo. These animals can be harmful and dangerous. So now you can see the wild animals from the picture on page 5. The first one is written as zebra. Now write down the second one. You can write bear, B-E-A-R, bear. The third wild animal is an elephant, E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. And the last one, lion, L-I-O-N, lion. The second part is domestic animals. Domestic animals are those animals which help us and are kept in farms or even in our house by making them a special house. So let's see which are the domestic animals that are helpful to us. We can see a cow. It gives us milk. So write down C-O-W, cow. Next, we have a horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Third one is sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. It gives us wool. The last and fourth one is duck. D-U-C-K, duck. So here we have completed exercise 2. Next is exercise 3. Write the names of animals and birds you can see in the picture. Now look carefully in the picture, children. You can see many animals and birds. You can start writing. The first one, zebra. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Next to it, we can see a camel. C-A-M-E-L, camel. Here is a rabbit in the bush. Write down R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Yes, I can see a peacock. Write the fourth one as peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. Behind the peacock, we can see a horse. Write H-O-R-S-E, horse. Look at the parrot sitting on a tree. Quickly write down sixth as parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. Now search for the last one. Here we can see a crow hiding in a bush. Complete it by writing the last one as C-R-O-W, crow. Yes, children, very good. We have now completed this exercise. The last exercise of this lesson is exercise 4. First, match the pictures with the name of these animals. Next, match the animals with their babies. We will start to match the animals first. One is done for you. You can see the first one, C-A-T, cat. It's matched to the picture of a cat. Now children, try to match the second animal, duck, with its picture. Now you can pause the video for a while and then start to match all the animals with their names. Okay, now check your answers. The second animal, duck. Match it here to the duck. The third, goat, is here. The fourth, cow. The fifth, horse. And the sixth, hen. The seventh is a dog. Now we have matched all the animals with their names. The next part is we have to match these animals with their babies. Here you will learn the names of the animal babies. Do you know the baby of a cat is called a kitten? So here it is matched. The second is baby of a duck. It is called duckling. Here at F, match it. The third is goat, and the baby of a goat is called kid. The fourth one, cow. The baby of cow is called calf. C-A-L-F, calf. The fifth one, horse. And the baby of a horse is called foal. F-O-A-L. The sixth, you all know this, baby of a hen. It is called as chick. C-H-I-C-K, chick. Now, the last one, dog. The young one of a dog is called as pup. Now children, rewatch the video and learn all the exercises